So let me show you step by step how to transfer mega file to Google Drive without limits. So if you want to transfer file to your Google Drive from mega without limits, let me show you how to do it. After you open up your browser, you click on the search and go to this where it says multi-cloud. After you search for multi-cloud, so here is it now, multicloud.com. So open it. So after you open the multi-cloud like this one, so for the first time, if it is your first time, it will ask you to sign in. So if you sign in, or if you just open account, so the account will look like this, I think. So the account will look like something just like this one. Just start by opening the account, click on this get started. So you have to sign in. I'll use my Gmail account to sign off. I'll click on this Gmail. So I'll select this Gmail account. So now go to continue. So if you just open the account like this one, the account will look like this. So the first thing you should do, so if it is your first time, maybe it will just give you option like this one. So it will look like this. So you need to scroll to down under this and go to this add cloud. So and then select out your Google Drive. After you select the Google Drive, now choose your Gmail account. After you choose the Gmail account, so go to continue again. So scroll to down, go to continue. So now you are importing your Google Drive into the multi-cloud. So now here is it. Now here is my Google Drive, and here these are all my files inside my Google Drive. So the next thing you should do, now click on this add cloud again and go to mega. Now you have to import your mega account. So now let me sign in into my Google mega. So after you type in your information, you click on this add account add button. So after you add your mega account, so it will looks like this. So the next thing you should do now, you go and find the file that you want to like transfer. So I'll just select this one. After you just select the file like this, so from there, this option now, it will give you copy or cut. Now if you want to move the file entirely from your Google Drive, from your mega to Google Drive, so you click on this cut. After you select the file, you click on the cut. Or if you want to copy the file, you click on this copy. For this video, I want to just copy the file. I'll click on this copy. So now it will give you your Google Drive. Select the Google Drive and go to this OK. So I'll just click on this replace. So from there, now you wait to finish uploading your file into your Google Drive. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.